They got black tips. Right down, look, there he is right there. Look at it. Another sandbar, look like. Yep. Yeah, another sandbar. Yeah. Got another one up right here. You gonna put it up, Travis? It's time to go. You did that, bro. That boy tired. Him tired.
Shit, that stingray whoop me. God damn.
Pissed off.
Look good too. He ain't going nowhere.
Him said I don't have nothing to do with that.
He look good. Get you some of that, boy.
Them arms cramping right now. Look, he shaking that boy out of there.